everyone, Kitin here, and today I'll be unboxing NCT 127's second full album, Neozone. This is the T version. I do plan on getting the N and the C versions in the future, but I wanted to get this one first because I do like getting the version that's a little bit different, and I like DIY version, so this one was very different from the N and the C versions. That's why I got this first. This is super exciting actually because this is my very first NCT related item. Yeah, so this was released last March 6, 2020, but it only got to me now because of, shipping and everything. So yeah, but that's okay. So it's a pretty huge album, and this one arrived to me today, so I'm pretty excited to unbox this. Yeah, so the title track for this one was Kick It. I didn't really warm up to it at first, but as I kept on listening to it, I kind of grew fond of it as well. But my favorite songs in this album were Elevator 127F, Boom, Love Me Now, and Not Alone. Alright, so that's basically it, and let's just get into this thing. Okay, so let's open this up. So yeah, that's how it looks like. It has that goodie bag thing there, and here's the front, NCT 127, and basically here's how that looks like. Basically the back. So let's just open this up. Okay. This is really huge. Wow, okay, that is huge. That is huge. It's a huge photo book. And then let's just take out the goodie bag. It says T version here, and basically that's just the plastic. Yep. So basically this is how it looks like. Let's see if I can move this up a bit, just so you can see the whole thing. Whoops, there, okay. So that's the front. Then here's the spine. And then here's back. Yeah, with all their names. And then that picture. Okay, so first, I'm not sure where the random stuff are, so I'm gonna check and see if it's here or not. Let's see. Oh, okay, I saw some. That's it. Okay. I think I saw the photo card, but it's okay. I'll get to that later. I think that's all. Okay, so I think I've got all my random things out, so let's just get into the photo book. So it's really huge. Yeah, but here's how it looks like. Whoops. Here's how it looks like in the front. So you have NCT 127. There you go. Here is the spine. And then here is the back with all their names. And this picture from Kick It. Yeah. And then 2 because it's the second album. So yeah, let's just get right into this. I hope you can see this properly because it's so huge. There. So first we have this. Oh, it's like the poster, I think. Yeah, just a group photo. That's nice. And then there. Can you see it? Oh, yeah. Okay, I hope everything's in frame. So yeah, I like this whole spread. It's so freaking cute. It looks like a collage. It looks like a collage DIY kind of thing, and I really like that kind of thing when it comes to photo books. And there is Mark and some Polaroids, which are really cute. And there you have Jaehyun and Haechan. Jaehyun is my first bias, and then Haechan is my second bias. My third bias is Jungwoo, but more often than not, Haechan just keeps on rising to the top. But then, whenever I watch NCT videos, Jaehyun ends up being my first bias all the time. I'm actually pretty new to NCT. Yeah, I'm very new. I got into them maybe February or March this year. I haven't seen like a lot of their other videos, but I've seen their music videos, and I do plan to, you know, get more into them as, you know, as the months go by. But I really love all of their albums. I love their music. Yeah. So there. So we have kind of like behind the scenes really, really cute photos. This Doyoung? Yeah, that's Doyoung. That is so cute. So the paper feels like this matte, ordinary kind of paper. And then, ooh, this paper over here, it's different. It's like it's glossy and more magazine style. So that's kind of nice. There's Taeyoung and Jaehyun. 127 camera you date soon. That's really cute. I hope you can see this well on frame. It's so huge. And then there you go. This is a more horizontal photo. Oh, but that is nice. It looks nice there. Black and white photo. I like how it's all like magazine-like. It's really nice. And a full shot of just Jaehyun, which is fine by me. Number 13. Oh, this is track 13, Dreams Come True. I did also like this song, and I remember in Spotify when you remove like the album art, this is what appears. It's really cute. Yep. Oh, this is so cute. I like this. It's so cute. Look at that, and it's like they drew on it, so that's really precious. That's really adorable. And there's Taeyoung. I like that. I like that hair on him. It's really nice. These dogs. And this is so funny. For a second, I thought there was an actual like another photo card or a Polaroid, an actual one, but there's none. So that's kind of funny. Oh, nice. So it's like each song gets like a different concept of photos, I think. Oh, that's nice. Elevator 127F. Actually, I really liked the song. I saw like the pre-release video thing and I loved it so much. And I like how like each of them has like a role. That's really cute. Look at Jungho. He is so cute. He is adorable. Is this a different concept? It probably is. Oh my gosh, precious. This boy is so precious. Oh, Haechan. Yuta looks really good in this photo book. I mean, this hair, I love this hair on him. It really suits him well. Did the paper change? Oh, I missed one. There you go. Taeyoung and Doyoung. And then you have Jaehyun. See? It's really funny because Yuta's not even my bias, but he really stands out to me in this whole photo book. He looks so good. He looks so good there. And this is so cute. Pandora's Box. Oh. I also like that song. Oh, these are cute. Very homey and kind of cozy, kind of photo shoot. That's Johnny. And the paper changed again over here. Sit down. I liked Sit Down more than I liked Mad Dog, but I wasn't really very into it at first. I only kind of got it, you know, after subsequent listens, it kind of grew on me. But yeah. Those goggles. This is really cute. I swear. Oh, so cute. Okay, so this one is glossy paper and this one is like thicker ordinary paper. Yeah. So Daydream. Another good song. This song is just full this album is full of really great songs. It's a really solid album. And look at him, I swear. Jaehyun looks good too, but Yuta, what the heck? Stop it. You're not even my bias. You're wrecking me in this photo book. Jungwoo's so cute. Oh, he's so pretty in this photo. What the heck? Oh, this is so cute. This is Not Alone. Not Alone is one of my favorite songs in the album. And this is so cute. They have like these message things and everything. That's really cute. That's adorable. So you had all of them here, and then you have Doyoung, and then you have Yuta, Haechan, Jaehyun, Johnny, Jungwoo, Mark, Taeyong, Taeil. Taeil would like to share a photo. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, and this is for Kick It, the title track of the album. Then what do we have? Oh, this is a really cool concept. It's like a photo book within a photo book. That's really cool. Oh, these are their things too. That's quite an interesting idea. And it's like handwritten and everything. Yep, I'm gonna read all of this in a later time. This is Jaehyun's. That's really nice. I really like this whole idea of putting thanks to's there, and it looks very personal. So that's cute. And oh, more Polaroids, more Polaroid-like photos. And then we have Mark over here, and the paper changed again. So this is all from the Kick It music video. Taeyong, Jaehyun, Haechan, Doyoung. Yep. Mark, Jungwoo, Taeil, Johnny, motorcycles. See that hair, him. He looks just so good here, and Jungwoo looks adorable here. I wasn't really fond of the whole the music, but I really like the aesthetic. And look at Jaehyun trying to punch. That is so cute. I really like the whole aesthetic of the entire music video. I enjoyed that one, that part. Oh, did it change? No. Okay. I thought the paper changed again. Jaehyun looks like so rich and sophisticated and fancy in this outfit. That's really nice. And it suits him well too. I actually thought that among all the members, Johnny suited the whole concept of the music video the best. For some odd reason. I don't know why. I just, thought about it, and that's what came to mind. And then you have more photos here. Are those different photos? Yeah, those are different photos. Oh, but the paper changed here as well. But those are different photos. I like this. I like the whole shadow part aesthetic of the whole thing. So yeah. Oh, and I like these. These are the tracks. I like how each one has a different picture and it's styled like a magazine, like table of contents. I think that's really cool. And then here we have the lyrics. So we have elevator 127F, kick it all the way until here. We have boom, boom. I'm not sure if I mentioned it. Maybe I did. I really like Boom. I don't know why, but I just really like the song. Pandora's Box, Daydream, Interlude, Neozone, Mad Dog, Sit Down. Then we have Love Me Now. I really like the song as well. Love Song, White Knight, Not Alone, Dreams Come True, and then you have the credits there and another photo of the I think that's the same as the back cover. Yeah, so basically that's it. And there's another fold out here. So oh, it's the same as the one here. Yeah, bigger version. See, I really like this whole aesthetic. Yeah, I think it really worked. Yeah, but basically, yep. So that was it for the big photo book. Alright, now let's get into the inclusions of the album. So you get this, okay, so my photo card and my circle card over there. And then you have this bag thing. I think this is where the CD is also. So just have to figure out how to open this up. Okay, that is really sticky. Ooh, okay, that is super sticky. Okay, so I'm definitely keeping this bag because it has the sticker thing here. So yeah. So okay, let's flip this over. Okay, so you get a this thing. It's like it's not a lenticular, is it? But it's really thick. And it's nice. Looks really nice. And it looks nice in my binder. Very glary though. But yeah, this is from the music video itself. And then you have... Okay, so you have stickers. And all of them. There you go. Let's put that there. And then you have this group poster, which I am not folding out here because this table isn't big enough for that. I originally thought that I wouldn't be able to film the poster or show the poster because I thought it would be too big, but upon opening it I discovered that it was just enough for the table I'm using. So this is how it looks like. So Neozone is over there and you have a group photo and then you just have the SM Entertainment stuff here. But yeah, basically that's how the poster looks like. It's not too big and it fits nicely on a wall if you wanted to put like a poster and other things on it. So yeah, basically that's the poster. Then you have stickers inside this bag. Should I open it? I feel like I kind of want to open it, but just to see what's inside, but also at the same time kind of don't. So maybe let's just, yeah, I think I can always staple it. So yeah, my curiosity gets the better of me. So here we go, we're looking at the stickers. Okay, so you have Neozone. It's actually nice. Like, I'd like to stick them somewhere if I have like extras of these. 127 squad with all their names and their numbers. And then this circle sticker thing that says Neozone. And then you have a okay, there you go. Another sticker with all their names there. As you can see, hold on. There, I think that's better. Yep. And then you have two other stickers, the new thanks from the Kick It music video. New thanks, new thanks. And then here, Neo Culture Technology NCT. This is actually really cute too, that sticker. Okay, so we looked at the stickers, and here is the CD. I'm not gonna take it out, but there you go. The track list is over here, and that's basically how it looks like. Neozone NCT 127, the second album. Alright, actually, I'm pretty new to NCT. Like, I got into them at the beginning of the year, or I think somewhere in March. Yeah, because Kikit was my first comeback with them. But I haven't like watched all their things yet. I've watched some things here and there, but not everything. But I do plan to get into them more as time goes by. Okay, so now we have the ad, yeah, that's always there in SM stuff. And then finally we have the photo cards. I'm really excited about these, and I haven't seen them. Well, I kind of saw what this one was, but I wasn't sure. So let's just take a look at it now. So I got Jaehyun. Yay! He is my first bias, so I am happy about this. There you go, Jaehyun. I'm so happy to have this one. And then let's see who I got. Oh, it's Haechan. Oh wow. Oh wow, my pulls are super lucky for this album. So I got Haechan and Jaehyun, who are both my biases. So I'm super happy that I have them and that I don't need to look for them for this version. That's great. Okay, so I'm just gonna put everything into frame and then we'll just wrap this up. Okay, and so that was all for my unboxing for NCT 127's second full album, Neozone-T version. I actually just realized that this is a little bit dented over here, but I guess because it's been in transit for so long, but it, it's not a huge thing, a huge bend, so I guess that's okay. But yeah, I am so happy that this is finally here, and I am very, very happy with my pulls because I got my biases, Haechan, and I got Jaehyun. So I just need to find a well, I need to find his circle card and his photo card and Jungwoo's as well. But that's actually not a bad that's not bad beginner's luck for my very first album ever for NCT 127. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!